What I wish I knew at breakfast. Pol Roti is a game changer. Today we're diving into Pol Roti, Sri Lanka's beloved coconut flatbread. This dish is a staple in Sri Lankan cuisine, perfect for any meal of the day. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need grated coconut, flour, salt, water, and a touch of oil. Coconut adds that unique tropical flavor, while flour gives it structure. Salt and water bring it all together. Now, mix everything into a dough. Knead it till smooth, then let it rest. Shape small portions into flat rounds. Heat up your griddle and cook them till golden brown on both sides. Serve your Pol Roti with spicy sambal or creamy dal. It's versatile, so pair it with your favorite curries or chutneys. Recap ingredients, mix, shape, cook, and serve. Try making Pol Roti at home and bring a taste of Sri Lanka to your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.